See how fast. Moment of truth. I'm going to. This video is not sponsored by anyone. I'm making this video because of how cheap this impact wrench is. I bought it for 59,000 naira. That's approximately $37, and it's surprisingly powerful. I've tested it and I put everything back as it is inside the package, so that I'm going to show you how it is. Then I'll show you the test I've made and you will judge for yourself. Okay, the name of the impact wrench is Cyberlite. And inside the bag there is these gloves made of fabric gloves. Here's the battery. It's 21 volts battery, and it has another battery, the second battery. That is the impact wrench. This is the impact wrench. Feels very superior, high quality. Can you see it? And this is the charger. The charger it came with. I think this is an extension or something. And then the accessories came with the manual and nothing else. This is the accessories. Came with different sockets, 21mm sockets, 19mm socket, 18mm socket, 17mm socket, and then 14mm socket. These ones are black, looks very strong, feels superior. Then there is this socket with magnet. It has magnets inside. See, it has magnets inside. This one is a 12mm. This one is a 10mm. Still, all of them has magnets. 10mm, 8mm, and then 6mm socket also has magnet inside. It has magnets inside. Then this drill bit, I think it came with this. And then I think this one is a plastic drill bits. There are 3 of them, size 20, 16 and 10. It has this one is a concrete drill bit. Wow, feels superior. Concrete drill bit feels superior. Then this one is I think drill bit for wood. 3 of them, 3 sizes. And we have a metal drill bits, three sizes again, three different sizes. We have these two very strong looking screwdrivers, star screwdrivers, and then we also have this one. Doesn't feel really superior like the black one. And then there are also screwdrivers. There's 6 in numbers, and I have different ends, flat, and the other side has the star. Okay, then we have these O-rings, and this, I think, some kind of hook, but they are metal. And this is for, these are spare parts of the drill. These are the spare parts of the drill. So this impact wrench has a different head from the other impact wrenches I've seen, and it has an opening here, and also I think there is a magnet inside of it, because when I put this inside it, it kind of feels like there's magnet inside of it. See? So this is the glove. So let's go and test it and see what it can do. So we are here. This is 21mm socket. We are going to try to lose this tire bolt. Before that, I'm going to retighten it so that you will see the strength of the drill. I'm going to retighten it. See how fast. And the same way it loosens this bolt, it tightens it very well. See. You see it? Very tight. Look at this one. See how fast. It's very, very fast. Okay. See. Again, let me try how this goes. This thing is very, very fast. This thing tights very well. It's tight. It's very tight. Cyberlite. Yes, very cheap. Oh, I was tightened. No, I was not losing it. This thing is tight. Moment of truth. I'm going to give this in a bigger test. Since this tire bolt is a small one for it. So we are back. You can now see how powerful this is. I'll still give it more tests, to know its limit. But as for me, for the price I got this at $7, it's worth more than $37. And with all these accessories, these drill bits, if you go to buy all these one by one, I think it's going to be more expensive for you. So that's it. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.